Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. Today I'm bringing you my math, and here is the equation that I want us to solve and get the value of x. Find the solution. So we have 3x minus 5 over x is equals to 2. So I want us to solve this equation, and the first step that I'll begin with, it's multiplying both sides by the LCM. So you can see this one here is a fraction, and I have x down below here, my denominator. I'll multiply both sides by x. So it will be this way is equals to 2. I want to multiply both sides by x. So I will multiply here by x, I will multiply here by x, and I will multiply on this side by x. So this x will cancel, and I will remain with 3x squared. This one here, 3x times x, this gives me 3x squared minus 5 is equals to 2x, right? So I can form a quadratic equation from this equation over here. So it will be 3x squared. I'm bringing 2x on this side. It becomes negative 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So you can check and you will realize this is a quadratic equation, and we can solve it. We can solve this quadratic equation, and I love to solve using product and sum method. So I will write here my sum is negative 2, this one here, and my product, I'm taking A times C. So this is negative 15. So I'll look for two numbers. When I multiply them both, I'm getting negative 15, and when I add them up, I'm getting negative 2. So these two numbers are negative 5 and 3. So if I multiply negative 5 and 3, I'm getting negative 15. If I add negative 5 and 3, I'm getting negative 2. So I'll substitute these numbers in this equation. There we go. 3x squared. I'm taking this one, I'm substituting it, minus 5x, this 3 here, plus 3x minus this 5 here is equals to 0, okay? So the next step, I'll group them into 2. So I will group this side and this side. So I can factor out, for this case here, I will factor out x. So if I factor out x, I'm remaining with 3x minus 5. So this is just the same as this one, but I factor out x. This is factorization method. I will factor out 1 for this case so that I can remain with 3x minus 5 is equals to 0, right? I have two common numbers here. You can check this and these ones. They are similar, they are the same. So we can just write them down. And pick the one that are outside, this one here, the one that it's left on the other side is equals to 0. Okay? I can now find the value of x. I'll pick this one and equate it with 0. I'll pick 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to 5. I want to get the value of x. I'll divide both sides by 3, both sides by 3. So this 3 will cancel, and I will remain with x is equals to 5 out of 3. Or you can write 1 as a whole number, 2 out of 3, right? Another one, the one that is left on this side, x plus 1, I'm going to equate it. So this was the first one, and this is the second value of x. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to negative. X is equals to negative 1, right? So this is the second answer. x is equals to -1. So our equation here had two answers. Our solutions were x is equals to 1, 2/3, or x is equals to 1. This one here and this one here. So these are the two answers. So these were the two solutions. X is equals to 1, 2/3, or x is equals to -1. I had forgotten the negative here. So sorry, x is equals to -1. We had two solutions because we formed a quadratic equation. Either x will be -1 or x will be 2/3. So remember to like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.